The Adventures of V-Man, sponsored by Dherbs.com.
What's up, guys? It's Vinny. We are here in sunny Pasadena, California at Just Float. We're about to do some isolation tank flotation therapy. I've never done this before. I'm pretty excited. Let's go on into Just Float. After arriving at Just Float, we met with the two ladies who were working there and they checked us in. They walk you through the facility, which is massive. It's a huge place. She said it is the largest float center in the country, which is unreal. And then they have this door to the tank. If you're claustrophobic or worried about anything like that, it's giant. Like, there's no need to be afraid whatsoever.
Just Float is a little small family-owned business. Basically, the two founders fell in love with floating and said, we want to share this with everyone. It's super intimidating, totally understand. We're not used to that level of darkness. We're not used to that level of silence. My biggest encouragement for people is to take it at your own pace.
I went, rinsed off, which you're supposed to do before you get in the water. You get in the tank. As soon as you lay back, you're instantly floating. It's pretty wild. You press the button and all the lights go off. It's a little eerie at first, but you get used to it. If you do get scared, you can press that button and little lights will come on inside the tank, so you're not in total darkness.
There's so many modifications that you can make, and that's why our tanks were built the way that they were built, was so that we could do that and know that we have accommodations for all of those things. You're in control of the lights. We can set up music and you're in control of the music. We tell people, as long as you're relaxing, you're doing it right. And we want you to do whatever that looks like. The only thing in the water besides how we treat it with hydrogen peroxide is Epsom salt. And that's why your skin's very soft. There is an extreme amount of Epsom salt in there. There's between 1,200 and 1,300 pounds in each tank. When I am asked to describe the benefits of floating, basically I start with there's no pressure being put on your body and your spine can decompress, your joints can all relax, all of the muscle tension is relaxed by the Epsom salt. With the sensory deprivation, that's when you're gonna get the more or less neurological, like your nervous system reset. So we have all this information coming at us all the time. That's when we get that overwhelmed feeling, when we're overwhelmed by our thoughts. And so when you're in there and you're not receiving new information, you're not receiving new sensory input, it allows your body to catch up on the ones that it has fallen behind on. And you come out just feeling refreshed, like you're lighter.
I lost track of time completely. 1 second I was floating around, just relaxing in the darkness, and the next second the lights were coming on and the music was getting louder to signal me that the float session had completed. There is a little jet that starts cleaning and filtering the tank, and that'll definitely wake you up. So you get out of the tank, you rinse off, there's a shower there, your skin feels amazing. It's like you don't even want to rinse it off.
It's cool to come in without expectations, because then you can let your body tell you what it needs and it can do it itself. And that's like the magic of it, is that our bodies heal themselves. We just need to give them the tools to do it, and this is a great one to do that. So we are Just Float. We're in Pasadena. Feel free to call us, check out our websites, justfloat.com. Yeah, it's super cool.
Thanks again for watching The Adventures of V-Man. I have a ton of fun shooting these videos, and if you know any therapy that I haven't done yet and you want to see me do, leave it in the comments. I can't wait to try it out. Thanks again for watching.